It's been a minute. Season 2. Season 2 sees the day. And in other news, James Corden is leaving The Late Late Show. Next year, Cats 2 will be playing in tandem with Avatar 2, Grindhouse style. Quentin Tarantino is attached to direct, assistant directing the Star Trek Picard spinoff, Spock.
Yeah.
Let's fire up that chest.
Okay.
Baby, let's get that going. Let's get that set up. I'm gonna stand at some point. Do you remember the site we chose for chess?
Hold on a second. I can find it. This is it. Hold on, I'll find it, buddy.
Sweet. No, take your time, dude.
Create a game. I got it, buddy.
Hell yeah. Amber heard that. Okay, alright. We're in it. We're in the game.
Alright. We're in.
And we're on. Backup microphone. Testing. This thing
Backup
on.
microphone.
We're back. We've been hibernating, and we're feeling better now. And Paul, do you want to explain what we're doing today in terms of the mental agility, retraining, structure?
Yeah, so because we were frozen in cryogenics...
It was like muck. It was like a hard muck.
It was like a slime, and it was a little bit hard to breathe. But
we were in a soft sleep, which is it's kind of your REM. Say goodbye to your REM cycle because you're kind of almost the equivalent of sleeping with one eye open, but both eyes are open, but just a little bit.
You're constantly in that state of sleep that's just before REM sleep.
Yeah,
so
we're not
even though we were sleeping, we had to go right back to sleep when we woke up.
It was exhausting. And no, he's not talking about the band REM. He's talking about the sleep cycle. And we didn't get any of that. I'll tell you that right now.
So one of the drawbacks is that we lose some of our memory, our core memories, and a core memory for us was playing chess. So we're gonna. According to, we've sort of been, and thank you Elon, thank you Tesla for giving us a Google Drive to our journals, scanned photocopies of our journals. So we're sort of reliving those memories, and both of us wrote quite a bit about chess. So apparently it was a passion of ours. We also apparently were able to write cursive, which we can't anymore. That's something that's never going to come back, unfortunately. But
what was it again that you wrote? It was like almost an old English that you wrote it, and it was about, from your journals. It was about your love of chess.
Mm-hmm. If I say, we'll get banned.
Yeah, you're right, and we don't want to get monetized or demonetized.
Right. So
we want the ads. Sorry, guys, we want ads. Ah!
Sorry.
Speaking of which, here's a word from our sponsor.
Hi everyone, I'm Mike from the New York Space Camp Alumni Chapter.
They will wake you up in the morning, they're going to get you into your mission briefings, and they're going to put you in the shoes of trying to be a NASA astronaut.
You guys are very thankful for actually
If you love space and everything we've been talking about and showing you looks cool, the question's not if you're coming to Adult Space Academy, the question's when.
So
we have this.
In order to jog our memories on how to play chess, our most beloved game of all time.
It's truly tis. Sorry, I'm acting old school.
So in order for us to This is going to be like our first game ever. Like, honestly, we don't know how to play the game anymore.
Yeah.
That memory has since been deleted from futuristic procedures.
I'll be honest. I was calling it chest. That's always one of those funny things you end up, is it chess with the 2 S's or is it with the T? Sort of like dessert and desert. I never know. And you go with the flow. And the cool thing about this online chess is that you can go into it not knowing a single thing about chess and kind of learn as you go. Because it's not going to let you do a move you can't do.
That is a good point, yeah.
And it's already kind of coming back to me. Because if you look, that's a nibbler. Right? Nibbler.
Nibbler, 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 nibbler.
God, goddess.
And then you got your Templar.
Wait, what? Templar here?
Right.
And then the Neon Priest.
And
All
then
right.
you got your Jagovs on the end.
Oh,
Not Jack off. Jag
not
off.
that. Yeah, it's like from cursive days. It's an old thing.
Right. So
I kind of just, part of me feels like, is there some sort of coin flip we should do? Do I have a coin? I only have crypto. I only got crypto on me nowadays. Do I have a coin?
I think it should say whether it's your turn or not. Actually,
Oh, it says my turn. One stance.
interesting. All right, I think some of it's coming back to me now. Yeah, you can.
I don't want to. No.
What's the matter, buddy?
Is it your turn? I don't. I
Yeah.
want to be back. I don't want to. I feel really exposed.
I mean, you chose your path. You know, the camel can jump over your own pieces, so I'm gonna move mine right over there.
Really?
You have to jump in a shape of a sand dune,
Oh.
right? It's really simple if you think about it.
I know. This is all coming back to me. Let's do the Polar Express. Remember that lineup?
Come again? I don't know if I do.
The Polar Express is when you have 3 snowmen in a diagonal formation.
Ah, I see. Yes.
You'll see 1 snowman, 2 snowman, 3 snowman.
That was a quick move. How did you react so fast to my move?
I don't know.
Do you have superpowers? No!
Oh, God. Oh, my skin hurt. Ugh. The game's coming back to me, but I still feel some of the negative side effects of reanimation.
Like what?
Joint pain. I don't know my age.
That's a tough one. I don't think they have anything for that.
That's a tough one, but this is a tougher one.
I think I'm gonna move here. I'm gonna take your guy.
No.
Whoa!
How do you like that?
That was so fast. You've grown.
And this is just the beginning. Hi, welcome back. We're still playing chess.
And why not call it chest? Chess is just some made up word. At least chest was a word that existed.
A lively debate. Typical of a chess game. You're right, though. Might box ourselves in. Chess
There's
is a
really
lot
no
like
point.
jazz. Wouldn't you say, Paul, that chess is a lot like jazz?
Certainly. I would say that.
Exquisite.
It required. Check, by the way. I've got your god.
My God. You can't hold down my God. You can't take my God. You can't do that, Paul.
Dude.
Oh.
Whoa. Now I need to be telling you welcome back.
That hurt. I remember less now. Okay.
Alright.
Let's get funky.
Yeah. Where am I moving? I'm gonna move one of these nipples.
Aha. Chalk. A lively duel. While I must bow, I do not do it with honor. I do not do it with honor.
Uh-huh.
Forthwith.
Something's
wrong with the software, Paul.
Hey, I didn't make it.
Well, maybe if you did make it, we wouldn't be having glitches.
Can't move there? Oh.
Excuse me.
Oh, whoa.
Sorry. Excuse
Whoa,
me.
we just took like 7 turns all in the matter of like 5 seconds.
Okay, let's do speed chess.
Alright.
Let's get it as fast as possible.
Well, I mean, the faster it goes, the quicker we learn, right?
A lively duel, indeed. Nice try. And you have to hit that clock, hit a watch. Ow!
You alright there?
I'm better than okay. I'm doing good.
I thought this was supposed to be fast.
Stop. No.
Yes.
Oh, I see what we have. A bit of a tattletale.
I've set up a Twin Towers formation.
Ah, toodaloo. But one thing you didn't think about is, my king, my god, can run. My god has a gun. What an elegant game.
An elegant win.
No. Oh my god, I fucking killed someone.
You just fucking killed someone.
Just killed someone. Wait, all of these
You
pieces...
just fucking killed my guy.
Paul, all of these pieces are real people. Look at the feeds. Look at the video feeds. All of these pieces are people. All of the pieces represent a person. Squid Games.
Squid Games.
Oh, this chess game has become a Squid Game.
Dude, good game. GG.
Good game,
That's what
man.
they say.
Good game, Paul. You know, you won.
Yeah.
Ah,
I won the game.
you won. Congrats. I'm not upset. Now we remember how to play.
I remember everything now.
I remember everything too. No, I just want to make sure we have enough of these, Paul.
Okay.
Okay.